Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to show you guys a brand new keyboard that I have received from Riitek Group. It is called RK100. It is a gaming 3-color LED backlit multimedia keyboard. It does give you a feeling that it is mechanical, but it's not. Alright, so let's just get into it. So you can see the box is nicely designed, going all the way around, and the back has a lot of information that we will be covering in this video. Also going to show you how beautiful it is. So once we slide it open, and once you open the box itself, it just comes with the keyboard only. That's it. There's no user manual. Again, it looks very beautiful the way that it looks. It does have a USB to it. Yes, it is USB 2.0 when you connect, but it is very functional. Alright, so let's just get this connected. So you can see right now that has all full set keyboard plus the Windows button, and also has the function key, and we will be covering that in a few seconds. But since this keyboard is created for gaming, you can see that the W, A, S, and D has been bolded with the colors, and when you look on the right side of it, you can see that the arrows do have certain letters too. It's exactly the same as the W, A, S, D, but if you can look on the top, it does have the functional keys, which is the num lock, the caps lock, and also the scroller lock. It is compatible with Windows 10 and backward to Windows XP. Also, you can use this with Mac, with Chrome OS, and Linux OS. We have tested this also with Android. Works beautiful. The wire that is part of this is just regular plastic. Again, it is not something that you can break very easily, but we do not want you to yank it too many times. You can break it. You can see also the USB-S 2.0, which is very nicely created. And one beautiful thing that they have done is they have a lot of shortcuts. Something like if you want to play a multimedia, you just have to press the function key and F7. That way it's play and pauses. If you want to make it fast forward, it's function F8. It does have the volume up and down, which will be the F2 and the F3 for volume up. Again, in order to play with colors, it is just solid colors. So it's not something that you could press a button and then only that button going to be turn on. But the full keyboard, in order to turn it on, there is a little backlit button. You can press that and it will turn on. In order to play with it, something like if you want to put it on the changing colors, you have to press the function key and the light, and it will just do that for you. And if you want to just change it into regular red and then blue, and then if you want to change it to pink, you can press that and it will change it for you. Or if you want to turn it off, just press it one time and it will turn off. If you want to turn it on and you want the color to not to be very bright, they do have created something for the increase of the backlit lights. And also if you want to decrease it, it is the page up and page down while you're holding the function key. It will work for you beautiful. Again, this is a very inexpensive keyboard, and it is worth it to buy one. I do not want to forget, yes, it does have a huge logo that says RII right above the arrows, which is beautifully created. And also you can see that it has enough space in the bottom, so just in case if you do drop water to it, it does have little holes in the bottom so it can drain out, and no, it does not stay underneath of this. Again, this is not mechanical. It is made out of plastic. Make sure that you don't place a lot of force on the keys in order to break it. Again, it is very nicely done, very nicely created. The keys life, each one is up to 5 million clicks, so it will last you forever in order to use it. Again, this is a very cool keyboard. I will be placing a link where you can order this from and also get some more information about this keyboard at the bottom of this video. In the meantime, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Vine, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.